Hey guys, you're about to see a video where we were in Christmas sweaters. We filmed this video a long time ago, so it took them a little while to finalize the game that we designed this contest off of. Download the game, link in the description below, iTunes and the Play Store. And thanks to them for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Boom.
Alright guys, so I was on Instagram the other day and I saw the coolest, the sickest, the raddest looking little camera I've ever seen ever. So I looked into this company, it's called Opkicks. And then we talked to them and they said, hey, we're making this game. It's called Lines. It has this little guy. His name is Blip. And he flies down the screen and you try and push the screen and you try and get him to land in the line. If you push it and he lands, that was incredibly close. You have no idea how hard. I'm on like level 879.35678. And so we wanted to make this video where we do a Lines game of skate. It's to promote this game. So get Lines, link in the description below, and you can play this and you can have a lot of fun. And when their camera comes out, you guys can also check that out too. We are very, 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 very excited about that. The game is absolutely free to download. Just get it, download it, and you guys got it. Link in the description below. So we're gonna play a line game of skate, and then we're gonna do a Powerslide contest that's set up exactly like this. So basically, you're gonna be that guy, because you got a red sweater on, and we're gonna put some tape, and you're gonna Powerslide and try and stop in between the lines. Now that Gabe's here, he's officially in the game of skate.
What? Oh goodness. Against this guy and you?
Should we just have Carlos not play? He's winning everything.
I think we need to like kick him out of a game every once in a while just to give us normal people a chance.
Hey, I'm on the naughty list.
What the heck? It actually spells something.
Oh.
It actually
Whoa!
What? Nice.
Oh my god.
And naughty.
Oh, he's naughty.
One person does a trick. The next person has to do that trick and then add another trick to that trick. Then the third person has to do that trick and add another trick. The first person to miss any trick, you're out. Frontside 180, and then I do any trick afterward.
Yep.
So Aaron's not out, but he didn't add any new trick to the line. He's alive, but it's the next person to set the trick.
I'm out. You know what?
One more try.
I don't, oh yeah, okay.
You know what, dude? I don't even care that much, all right? I really don't even care. I hate you, dude.
I feel your pain, I feel it, I feel you.
Daniel is out.
Stakes are high right now.
Oh yeah, that's another trick.
Oh, no.
Good game.
I hit a crack and it ended everything.
I guess you'll get now.
Here's the set.
That would have been amazing.
Ace is fakie flip.
One more try.
That fakie flip's gonna haunt me.
Well done.
Thank you.
One more try for Carlos. Who will win, Doug or Chris McNuggets?
These two are the only people left.
Yeah. So close, one more try. Can he pull it off? That's my bad, I hit a rock. He's gonna keep going from here.
That made me smile.
One more try.
I gotta go back. Sorry.
That was suspense. You ready for the next game?
Yeah.
Lines, baby, lines.
Doug, good job. That was like amazing.
Mind blown. So the power slide must start there and fully stop in between the lines. It goes like this. Stop.
He nailed it.
First try.
Gotta go again.
Wait, just, oh yeah, he nailed it! Doug with the skills! Wow! Should we go round two, like slumps?
Yeah.
We're gonna get it so it's like just a skateboard, and then we'll just do it until we can do it.
First try. but not quite.
I look up at Troy and he's like, Daniel, terrifying.
Get the helmet and the pads and the mattress.
Get out of here with that. I think McNugget's gonna be the last level. Yeah. It's all about getting the right speed.
Oh my God.
What do you think? You got this first
I
try?
think I got this first try. I think so.
$5.
$5? Lance said it.
Oh my gosh! Daniel! Double.
Oh, a little bit too
Where's the commitment?
Stay right here. I'll go faster. Give me my $5. Dude, thank you so much.
I really regret making that bet.
I don't.
Time for the last round. Level 4,000.
No way. Then you're out.
Oh my God, you have to be so precise.
Pure luck. And skill. It's impossible!
I didn't want to.
What are you gonna do with your newfound success and fame?
Probably lose again next game.
Sweet.
Nope. I thought you that.
Oh, it's so hard.
Yeah.
You need Doug the judge.
That's the judge. He stopped watching.
He'd been like, well, not really.
Daniel just won! Tom! How did it go? Well, how's that thing go?
What?
Like,
Damn, Daniel.
dang! Dang, Daniel.
I think you should get a new shirt and then practice.
Daniel, you won. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching that video. That was really, really fun. You guys can also play the game Lines. So download it. The link is in the description below. Get the game, and you'll have as much fun as we had just here. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Woo, there it is. First try! Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.